Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can hide the pages that you are currently following from others in Facebook. So in order to do this, simply click on these three vertical lines present at the top right corner of your screen. Then once you clicked here, click on the settings gear icon. Then inside the settings and privacy page, you need to scroll down until you see this option which says follow us and public content. Click on the follow us and public content button, and you can see in the second option this says who can see the people, pages and lists you follow. Click on this option and it will give you these options. The first option is public, so that anyone on and off Facebook can view it. Then the other option is all of your friends on Facebook. The third option is friends except those you want to show everybody else, and the third is those specific friends to whom you want to show your following lists. And the last option is the only me option, where it will be hidden from everybody else. So once you have selected this, simply click on this save button at the bottom. Once you have saved this, you can see that the setting has been successfully updated. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.